What up with it? Q-Han at you. MPC 3 beta is here. I ain't really did nothing in it. I want to discover on my own. I know I'm gonna get to a point where I'm gonna get stuck and I'm gonna want to watch tutorials and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? But I just want to see how intuitive it is. So I'm going off the strength. I'm going right off the muscle, and we're just gonna see if we can work our way through. So I don't even know how this kit got loaded by default. But anyway, let's go in here and make us a little sample. So I see new track right there. We're just gonna learn as we go, baby. I want to pick audio, but I'm gonna pick drum. Okay. Browse. And let's just find a sample. Let it find a sample. Got some stuff in here now. Okay, let's just load that up. Oh yeah, let's start right there. I don't know which to do first. Stems or what? Okay, so let me chop it first. Let me chop it. Oh, that's a clean. I can hear it already. There's a good chop. So now we're gonna create. That's a whole new track. Okay. And I like that. So if I click this, will it create a new track? Submix. What the heck is that? Okay. So it looks like you got to hit new track right there. All right. So now we in here. Okay. How do I edit this? Long press. Is it this? Okay. Track edit. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for, but not really. Edit. Pad. Note map. What the heck is that? Nah. I don't know what they. I'm gonna leave that alone. Let's see. I do like the way you can move it around. Oh, you can see your MIDI notes right there. That's pretty cool. Long hold. Ah, there we go. Okay. I was just trying to touch it in different ways. So it looks like a double tap. Does a double tap get you out of it? I guess not. Okay. Good enough for me. Okay. Now, let's see. Let's select all. I don't know if this is going to work, but stems. But see, that's saying assign the pad A01, but I don't really want to do that. Let's put it on B just to be safe. Is it just going to chop that one? What if I hit function? Because I don't want to chop just that one little section. I want to chop my whole thing. So I wonder if I got to do the stems first and then chop it. That might be. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, right. So we go here and see. Okay, so it didn't do none of those. The first. Oh, I put it on B. Duh. So right here, theoretically, what I really want to do, go here. That's what I want to do. But it looks like I would have to do it for each one of the pads. Is that the case? Is that the only way to do that? Put it down in the comment section below if you know how to do it a different way. And what I'm going to do is kind of weird. So I'm going to warp it, right? I want it to be faster. Oh, we already in there. But I want the pitch to be lower. So I'm speeding it up and keeping the pitch low. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we in there already. All right, so let me BPM. So I'm assuming the recorder's the same method. Okay, okay. We're starting to do a little something. Okay. Okay, that's gonna be my underlay. I want to clap in there. Oh, hold on. Stop searching. Oh my God. The number's just going crazy. Hopefully y'all can see it. All right, my bad. My battery died. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. Yeah, we're just gonna do something simple like some Skyrim music though. Oh, that's a different one. Okay. Add some layers to it. Get my babies in the background cooling. Now let's get. I want that to be a little low. So let's see. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Just keep it simple. That's crazy. That's cool. Now I do want a little bit more air out of it, so. So let's go ahead. Oh my God, how do you copy a sequence? Okay. Sequence over to 2. Okay. And then we'll call it 2. And this I might include the whole. Okay, let's lower it down. Let's calm down. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. So I'm gonna just look here and see what I did. So 58% -5. So I'm gonna go back here. Boom. 58% -5. That doesn't sound correct. That's dirt. I might do this one because I do like the dirtiness, but that one's a little bit more cleaner. It's almost like a kick. Okay, okay. So let's see. Let's go to this track right here. Arrangement. Shift. Oh, select all. Thank you. Delete. Nice. And then right here. Okay, so now let's record it in. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. But see, now I gotta change that kick arrangement. So let's go here and check that out. Okay, so let's go in here. Dang, they got it zoomed out. Okay, so those three, that gotta go, that gotta go. There we go. I might go back low with it. And I'm gonna add an extra little drop in there. Okay, never mind. No, I'm not. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. This gonna sound stupid. Let's just hear it. So I might be able to, hold on, I might be able to salvage that a little bit. Let's put it right there and see what it do. That's hard. That's hard. To the next one. That's cool. I need to add some with some top end, you know what I'm saying? We got a lot of low and mids right now. It's real muddy. But I like that vibe. Alright, so that's been a little quick one. I'm gonna dive in. We're gonna do some things on here. We're gonna do some things. But yeah, thank you for watching it. If you made it to the end, appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe. If you got MPC 3 beta, how you enjoying it yourself, put it down in the comment section below. Till next time, peace. Gonna let this rock a little bit.